Today I'm going to be doing a time test between the Hoover WindTunnel Max and the Oreck Founder Series. And I have the best for the Hoover WindTunnel Max. And this one won last time against the Bissell Power Force bag, the newer version of the Bissell Power Force bag. And it won with 20 seconds, and the other one got 23 seconds. So I picked up the stuff faster, and I have my timer, which I've used in all my other videos of this series. And I'm going to hit start, and we're going to start with this vacuum. So here we go. 19 seconds. One less than the last time. So it seems like these times are going lower and lower and lower, because this is 1 second less than its last performance. So now we're going to use the Oreck Founder Series, and we are going to make some mess for it. So we're going to pause the video for that. So we got the Oreck Founder Series ready, and we add the timer. So I'm going to hit go, and we'll see how it does. Okay, so the Hoover won. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!